Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create an invoice in the staff portal. First, head to the navigation menu and click on Finance, then select Invoice. Next, click the Create button to start a new invoice. In the Invoice Details form, specify whether this invoice is for internal use or a client purchase. Begin by filling in required fields such as the school's name, email, phone number, and the due date for the invoice. Click on Expand and fill up details to open the full shipping address form. Enter the primary address. Provide additional address details if necessary. To add items to the invoice, go to the Items List section and indicate whether it pertains to a physical or digital item. Here, enter the product or service name, description, quantity, unit price, and check the box if the item is taxable. If yes, indicate here how many %. If you want to add more item, just click Add Item button. Once everything is correct, click Save Invoice to complete. Lastly, navigate to the Invoice section to view the newly created invoice. And that's it. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.